You're not gonna believe this. Look at the size of that fish. Is that awesome? Holy mackerel. All right, it didn't go exactly as planned. I cleaned the carburetor and I couldn't get the main jet out of the body. And once I actually finally got it out, I really had to beat on it a little bit more than I wanted to. I found that the mixing holes were kind of plugged up and there was some weird grit in there. Got that all out of there, and it just ticks right along at an idle. Pretty nice. So that's in the slow position right there. New water pump's working just fine. I'm excited to go test this. So we've messed around enough in the bucket. We're gonna take this thing out in the water and try it out. I tell you what, this little 3-horse is where it's at. The 5 horses, I'd say a touch too big for the canoe, and the 1.5, man, it's really light. You don't even notice it's there, but you just need a little more spunk than that. So this happens to be the happy medium. So there's a couple things I found really neat about this engine. One, as I was poking around, there's a spot for a fuel pump, so if you wanted to do an accessory tank, you totally could. I think that's pretty cool. The other thing is that it has this weird trolling prop on it, and I can go down to almost the stop position and the motor will still run, and then just adjust the low speed screw until the idle comes back a little bit, and it hardly moves. I mean, you could literally troll with it. That's cool for a fishing engine. So we're gonna do a little fishing. It's low tide. I don't really have any luck at low tides, but it's more the act of fishing, not catching, right? When I got this motor, I'm missing a couple of things. One of it is that H bracket that adjusts the angle of the engine was broken. So the cross rod and the coil spring is there, but the little bar that goes down below it is broke off. So I'm gonna have to probably make something there. Also, I'm missing this plate that covers the carburetor. So when you put the cowling on, it looks naked. And the last but not least is the screw. I'm missing the foot on the end of the screw. So I think I could probably fashion up all 3 of those pieces if I had to, but I hate to do it, but I'm gonna go on eBay and see if I can't get ruined by the prices on eBay. I tell you what, it's a good thing I stopped. That is the biggest Corvina I have ever caught, man. Look down inside his mouth. I wouldn't consider this thing crazy horsepower, but it does start to run pretty good now that it's waking up. I don't think it's gonna plane though, not in my lifetime. All in all, I think this is working out to be a pretty good motor for 75 bucks. So it seems to start pretty much every time. Oh, don't make me a liar. There you go, there you go. On that, I think we're gonna close. Thanks for watching.